Hey guys, we are out here in Sand Hollow, Utah for UTV Takeover. We're not only here to participate and have fun in the events, but we are out here trying out some new products. We actually met up with MRT at the Sand Sport Super Show and checked out their new Rocky RX tires. It's a super sticky version, and we definitely wanted to slap them on some of our machines. So we went ahead and put them on our brand new H2 build and my Maverick R. If you're not familiar with Sand Hollow, you have a bit of everything out here. You have a lot of rock crawling, you have a ton of sand dunes, you have a real good mixture of sand, hard rock. So we're able to really put these tires to the test. Beginning of the week, we took them down to the Kanab Trail with MTS, did a huge ride down there. It was definitely washed out, so there was a ton of mud. So we got into some real deep ruts and some nasty mud, and these tires pulled both these machines through without any hesitation or any problem at all. So we brought the machines back over here to the event. We got to do a lot of really slow rock crawling to really feel the grip in these tires. We hit a lot of sand dunes. I would say that these handle extremely well, maybe not necessarily the best sand tire, but did what we needed them to do. The trails of back and forth in and outs with the rock and the sand, man, they grabbed and performed better than I expected. So where we're staying down here in Sand Hollow is a little ways away, so we got to put quite a few miles on the pavement. On the road, these tires felt extremely smooth, very happy with them, and we've done over 150 miles, and you can tell we are not seeing a whole lot of wear on them, which is really nice, especially in a sticky tire. Usually in the sticky tires, they freaking wear super quick, but with these, they're wearing extremely well, ton of tread left. Guys, there's a lot of new sticky tires coming out on the market. As we all know, the Rockzilla has been the leader in the sticky tire, well known, but everybody's coming out with some really good sticky tires. I highly recommend going and checking out the MRT Rocky RX tires. They are super sticky. They have done absolutely awesome out here. So real quick, I want to showcase the new MRT tail gunner wheels. We threw them on our H2 here. One of our favorites. It's a really cool looking beadlock wheel. They have a ton of options, guys. Head on over to the website, check out the full lineup of their wheels and tires. If you have any questions, you give us a call, 509-406-7192. Head on over to the website, fueledutv.com. And as always, we'll see you out on the trail.
Running from me.